What's up, YouTube? Taliban in the house. Coming to y'all live from Montana today. We got about 7 foot of snow. Just kidding. We got about an inch. This is South Carolina. On today's video today, I want to ask my girlfriend some questions about my truck and see what all she knows. So this is my girlfriend right here, and this is my 2015 F350 Power Stroke. Alright, so let's get started here with the first question. Are you ready?
Yeah.
First question is, how much torque does the truck have produced to the crank? What would that number be?
I don't even know what that means. I have no idea.
You have no idea?
I have no idea.
You gotta guess.
How much? Just a random number?
I guess. You don't know how much torque? You should hear me talk about this stuff. Just guess. Okay, 860 foot-pounds of torque.
That's a hard question.
Alright, that was too hard, so we'll go a little easier. How many liters does the engine have?
8? 6.7.
Alright, 6.7. She got that one. Alright. I think she'll know this one. Let's see. What size are the wheels?
20.
20?
20.
Alright, that's right. Alright, where does the DEF go?
Next to the...
Alright, show it. Where's it go? Right there?
Right there.
Alright, now what does DEF stand for?
That's right. Diesel exhaust fluid.
Alright, she cheated. I didn't think that it was right there until I saw it right there. Alright, she definitely cheated on that one, but at least she's paying attention. Alright, the next question is, does it have a turbo?
Yes.
Okay, how many turbos does it have?
2.
No. It only has 1 turbo. I wish it had twin turbskis, but she doesn't. Alright, next question. Why is the truck so junky? Why is it so quiet and gets horrible fuel mileage? What causes it to be like that?
It's that eco-friendly stuff. I don't know what it's called.
It's the eco-friendly junk?
Yeah.
Alright. You don't know what it's called though?
No. What's it called?
It's called a DPF. Let's see if we can sit down here. See under that big humongous missile? See that?
Said missile.
Yeah. It's called your DPF. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's see what the next question is. How many miles per gallon does it get?
16.
16? Oh God. I got snow everywhere. Let's see if she was right. Since I'm right here, I'll ask you how many miles is on the truck.
32,000.
What?
32,000?
25. How many miles per gallon does it get?
16.
15.9. That's pretty close, and I'm out of fuel.
I think that's right.
Huh?
I think that's right.
Yeah, that's right. I think I'm about out of questions.
Are you?
Alright, the last thing that we'll do is, let's see if she knows how to remote start it. Here. See if she can start it up. I'm not going to tell her nothing. She actually knew how to do it. You did good, didn't you?
Good.
Alright, let's do one more thing. Show me how to put it in 4-wheel drive. Alright, how do you put it in 4-wheel drive?
This?
You can do it. It ain't gonna hurt nothing.
Is that it?
Yep, that's all you gotta do.
Okay.
Stuff on that side.
What?
Alright guys, I guess that's the end of the video. Hope everybody enjoyed this short little video. I want to make some kind of video today. I've seen people do this before and I thought it would be fun and funny, so hope you guys enjoyed it and that you like it. Subscribe. You guys have a great day. Say bye.
Bye.